Me see up on the corner, skin so cocoa brown. Smile bright like sunshine when it settle down. My heart skip a beat, like a rhythm in the beat.
Me say, wagwan baby.
She laugh and look me way, but from that moment, trouble start to grow. Her mother look on me like me bring some woe. She say not him a wild one, me swear. Me say, mommy, me just love your daughter, me care. Oh Lord, the night me sneak round, open on my chest, chicken box and a frown. Me knock on the gate, hear rough from the dark. The dog jump the fence like it trained for the park. Me run like lightning, barefoot and free. Tumble through bush, scratch up my knee. But next day she laugh till she drop on the floor. Me say, me woulda do it again, me sure. Took her in my old car, windows stuck tight, but we rolled to the sea in the warm twilight. Me say, watch the sunset, look on how it shine. She leaning on my chest and say, this love feel fine. Me no have millions, no mansion, no yacht, but me give her my heart, every beat, every drop. From cooking curry goat to dancing slow wine. Me treat her like royalty every time. Cause oh, the night me sneak round, my pants did tear, but my love still sound. She kissed my cheek and said, my brave little man, even dog can't stop, true love was strong. Me woulda do it again, run from 10 months. Cause when me with her, my soul feel cut. From a cloth made a dry peace and vibe. Me say me love you and me love it can't hide. Now her mother still watch me with the same old glare, but me smile sweet and bring mango for share. Me plant flowers in a yard, one by one. Even the dog know cool, me and him have fun. My dark skin darling, you make my heart spin. Your beauty deep down, not just outside skin. From the chase in the night to the kiss in the breeze. Me fall more each day like leaves off trees. Oh Lord, the night me sneak round, me nearly mash up but love was found. Now we're driving slow, sun setting low, but still in love, just thought you should know. Me say me love you, I'ma always will. Even if your mother never give me that chill.